Did you see this? There's another streaming service, Paramount Plus. I can't keep it together anymore. I'm losing it.
Yeah.
I've lost it.
You have.
Yeah, they launched one more
noticed.
streaming service, and I lost it.
Mm-hmm.
I'm the skull emoji.
Yeah.
I got nothing left. I don't even know what to tell you about it. But now you got to have this one, Paramount Plus. They want your Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, HBO / Peacock / Disney Plus / is that?
Did you mention Max?
Hulu. They
HBO?
want that. They want some of that.
Sure.
That's what Paramount wants. And, they got the Viacom stuff, so it's quite a few titles. They got Nickelodeon, MTV, BET, Showtime, Comedy Central, and others to get you excited to sign up. And they say that over the next 4 years, they're going to be spending $5 billion on streaming in hopes of getting 65 to 75 million subscribers around the world. The service is launching March 4th for $9.99 a month, and there will also be an ad-supported option for $4.99 available in June. They think it's going to be big, man. I don't know. Everyone's making their bet on their content, and people, they just love the subscription model. You know why? Because you're a company, and you know what happens with the subscription model? You get money every month.
Mm-hmm.
Every single month.
Yep.
And the person, they just forget about it, and they're like, I don't know, it's my bills. I don't know.
Yeah.
What is that? Paramount TV? Yeah, I got that. And I got all the other ones, and it's every month. Nobody wants to sell you one piece of content anymore. They want your life, Will. They want your whole life and your identity. They want it all.
$5 a month? Sure.
There you go. They got it. Disney Plus, for their part, they are closing in on 100 million subscribers, but their pitch is so much simpler. It's like, oh, Star Wars, Marvel, okay, I don't know. You can have $10 a month or $15 a month. That seems like a thing I'm supposed to have. This one, it gets a little more, I don't know, it's a little tougher. It fits into the Peacock category for me.
Uh-huh.
You know?
Yeah. It's hard to say which franchise they own and what content that they really have.
Here's what they highlighted during their announcement. A new iCarly and a new Avatar: The Last Airbender or Legend of Korra and a new Criminal Minds.
Okay.
Does do any of those do it for you?
No. I heard Avatar is pretty good, but I haven't watched it. Maybe they'll get a few subscribers.
There's a live aspect to it, combining sports and news. Movies like Mission Impossible 7 and A Quiet Place 2 will debut on Paramount Plus just 45 days after they're in theaters. Does that do it for you?
No. I like this movie, though. It's pretty good. The first one.
All right.
Just sign up just for that.
All right, man.